Welcome to Trekkit TV. This season we are going to take you to Newfoundland, Iceland, scenic places in New Brunswick, and other adventurous spots off the beaten path. On our treks you will meet the Trekkit team, friends, family, and special guests. At Trekkit we are not die-hard adventurers, but everyday people just like you who want to get away from the office, phone, and email to take a day to meet new people and explore the great outdoors. That does not mean everything goes as smooth or as planned on our treks, but we have a lot of fun capturing and sharing our adventures. Come follow us on our journeys and may inspire you to go on a trek of your own.
Let's go.